Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, we finally got a little bit of an update for the Camaro. She's over there working on it already. Literally, she just got home and the parts are here, so we want to get this thing going and fixed. So, if you guys saw the last video of the Camaro on her Camaro, not Javi's Camaro, her Camaro, the car was having throttle surges, basically. And we switched tuners and it's still something doing it. So, we've trying, with some of you guys' help, with some of the comments we got in her last video, we think that we maybe gotta figure it out. We'll see. So we're gonna swap over to a different throttle body. This one is basically, it's a stock throttle body, but it's been adapted. And let's check it out. You guys tell me what you think. This is a stock throttle body. This is the extra one that we had, and this is the new one, which is made by Solar Performance. A lot of you guys recommended this throttle body. And you can see it's been ported. I don't know if the blade is definitely, it's been ported too. And it's got all these little ridges and stuff. So a lot of you guys said these work pretty well, and it should give the car, even on their description, they said should give the car a better feel. So I'm really hoping. So these guys are right here in the US, they're in Alabama. We got it in a few days, and excited to put it on. So yeah, she got, look, she's over there working. Look at her, proud of her. Look at her. She got home from work and decided she wasn't gonna put it on, but I kind of said you should just go put this on. So
I was gonna put it on because I was gonna make a nice, good video for you guys because it's pitch freaking black outside.
It's okay. It's a little dark out here. It's all right. We got light. We're good. It's not hard. So hey, look at her.
All right, get this big ass boot out the way.
Yeah. Right.
Make sure I didn't do, don't pull a Christina and drop it.
Yeah.
Or Marty or a Javi. Because I know all y'all have done that.
I never lose anything.
Bullshit.
All right, guys. It's on. You can see a better look at it now. So, go ahead and put this on. Throttle bars are pretty simple.
Replace the battery, ignition on, let engine idle for ignition on, let engine idle 3 minutes, ignition off 1 minute, repeat steps 8 and 9 one more time, and then we've got some driving to do.
Okay. All right, it's in. I hope this fixes this problem, because I really don't want to take a whip off. Don't want to do that. And the car runs good with it. Just this hiccup. Yes, the Whipples have that funky sound. I thought something was going on with it too. Almost like a gear grinding, but that's just the way they sound. We talked to Whipple, we talked to a few other people that had it. Don't stand behind this car when it starts, because it's gonna scare the shit out of you. So far it's running good, but we gotta go take it for a drive. We gotta do initial idles and stuff like that for the car to learn it. But guess we'll see. I hope this really fixes this car. Like I said, I do not want to take out the Whipple. I don't want to do that. I like the way the car runs with the Whipple, but it has to have good drivability. It doesn't makes the car unenjoyable to drive. Like a shitty tune. You don't want a car to have a shitty tune. And the tune on this car is good, because the car goes and it's much better tuned than the last one, but it still has that hiccup. So it's not in the tune, so it's got to be hardware. So let's hope it's hardware. Did you feel anything?
Not yet.
I don't know. Usually does it right at the beginning.
Well, it usually does, but I also been driving the car today too, so it tends to do a little less when it's tends to do a little less when it's been driven. Or I don't know that it actually does it less. It's me knowing to be careful. Yeah, that was right there, but I still had traction control spinning from back there. Hold on. I don't know. I don't want to come to a complete stop out here. There ain't nobody behind me, but that's what it says. I need to decelerate.
Yeah, probably not the smartest idea. Do it
I'm checking. There's nobody
on a hill.
There's nobody behind me though. Well, what the fuck else? Does it matter if it's on a hill or not? I'm decelerating. I'm trying to get.
You can stop right there.
Huh?
You need to come. Let's say you gotta come to a complete stop.
Yeah, but that's a.
That's a stop. You could have stopped there.
I thought that was a dirt road. That's why I didn't want to turn down there. It's fine. I'll get up here. I didn't feel it at all just then.
I haven't felt that at all.
I didn't feel it at all. God, wouldn't that be great if this fixed the fucking problem? Road right here.
That's a dirt road.
That one is. I think that was the one that I was thinking. Because Patrick and I almost turned down that damn road. That's right there. It didn't do it. I heard it asking for more air, but it did not jerk out from under my foot. Like I know where the area was, and it did not do it. Right there, I can hear it doing it, but it's not doing it to my foot. So that's good. That's what I was. I'll go up that road up there. That goes. There ain't nobody down that road. Yeah, right there's where it normally does it,
I haven't felt it.
and it didn't do it at all. Where is this road? Here it is. It didn't do it at all. Sorry, guys. Now it's gonna let me out all the way to a complete stop.
No, just go.
Trying to get it in its problem zone in its worst gear, which is second. Nothing. That's fantastic. Yes, I purposefully just went to fourth. Try and get it to do it again. I'm on the throttle right now. It did nothing.
No, I mean, I could definitely feel it when it did it. Every time I drive, you can feel it. The car will just want to jerk.
It's not
And
done it not one time.
It's
the whole
not
time
doing it.
we've driven so far.
I mean, you can definitely feel it from the passenger seat.
and
Even
it's not even fully learned yet.
yeah.
That's the thing.
So
This,
yeah, go left.
oh, I know where this road is. Okay.
Same
I know where
road.
we're at. Right there was its problem spot. It didn't do it.
But it didn't do it right.
Not at all.
take out a Whipple.
I had already decided we weren't doing that.
I know.
I just figured I'd just baby the fucking thing when I did drive it. But there, did it. The sound, but it's not grabbing like it was. That's great. Okay.
You want to try the modes?
Not till it's fully learned. When it's learned, I'll try the modes.
Right now it's in touring mode, so it's the lightest throttle response.
Right. Everything else is set where I want it, my preferences, but right there, it would have normally done it because it did it a little bit, but it was me. I was at least 50% throttle, maybe a little more, so I could feel it was just, and that's just the car responding to my foot.
Yeah, but it didn't do that long.
No, that's what I'm saying. I purposefully made sure that I was beyond 30% because shit, at this point I've learned where the hell 30% is on the throttle. I've got it like clockwork. And I made sure I was past that so that if it was going to do it, it was going to do it. And it didn't do it. Like, right? It's just throttling. It's not surging like it was. Not at all. That's great. I'm going to have to look and see which one of that one. There's one subscriber that specifically said, you gotta go solar performance, you gotta go solar performance. And I checked out all the reviews and all the information on it, and it sounded exactly like what I need, and I'm gonna have to personally thank him. Because this is awesome. I actually get to enjoy my car again.
Does it always have that on that noise when you were giving the gas?
Sometimes it does it. That's one of the reasons I wanted to send him a data log after I did all this stuff. Just to kind of see if there was anything that needed to be tweaked.
I don't know.
Every now and then it does that. It doesn't do it
like
consistently.
On full throttle?
I wasn't full throttle there, but...
Alright, maybe...
You go full throttle, every now and then it'll kind of give you a little blip. But I didn't know if that was something with the throttle body, with all this other shit. That's why I kind of wanted to get all this kinks worked out with this, send him a data log, and then let him see what it looked like after.
We'll give it a good stomp to see how it goes.
Hold on. Ready?
It goes. So it goes. It feels good. It hits hard.
I like my car. I really do. Oh my god, if that was what we needed this whole time, I'm gonna be so freaking excited. It's gonna be so great. I fought with this motherfucker for almost 8 months now. It's been 8 months.
Yeah, that's been. We've had the whip on this thing for a year.
No.
Yes, it has. We put this whip on about over a year ago. And no, you ordered it in November. We put it on like February. Yeah, it took like 10 weeks.
Been 8 to 9 months.
Yeah. Because it took like 10 weeks for it to get here.
Right.
I'm telling you right now.
I got it to him the first time at like 6 months.
Yeah.
But so far, so good. This thing sounds great, or feels great. I mean,
yeah. So far, I think
this might have been the problem.
Yeah.
Oh man, please God. Oh.
I think you're good. I think the solution has been found. All right. Well, I think it's gotten. I think so.
He hasn't even driven it yet.
No, but I mean, but believe me, you don't even need to drive the car to feel what the surge the car did. So hopefully.
What, you mean the horse kick?
Well, you're just driving, the car just goes, whoosh. You don't do nothing. The car just all of a sudden just wants to just go. So I think it's good. So she's gonna send her tuner dialogue and make sure everything's all good there. But I think we're good to go. So hopefully he says the same thing. I wouldn't see why he wouldn't. And so yeah, the problem was definitely hardware. So if you have this issue with a Whipple, recommend, what's this company called? Solar Performance?
Solar Performance.
Yeah, they're out of Alabama. And they do good work because they fix a problem. So, well, I mean, I didn't feel it at all. Not once.
I didn't feel it either.
So,
I could hear it in the places more than anything, but I don't give a shit about hearing it because that just tells me the car is responding to my foot.
Yeah.
I didn't want it to kick like it used to, and it didn't do that at all.
So drivability means a lot, people. So the car could run like a bat out of hell, but if it drives like shit, who wants that anyways? So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Thank you guys for all the answers on her last video with the Camaro, because if it wasn't for that, we wouldn't have found out about this company. So, who that one dude recommended this?
Well, there was quite a few, but the first guy said, you gotta try Solar Performance. I've heard this before on Whipple, and so I'm definitely gonna put his little
so appreciate it, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.